Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing. Yeah, there's 5 million unboxing videos, but I want to do one. So today it's going to be about the FabFitFun box, if you didn't already see the title of the video. So, quick thing about FabFitFun box is it's a seasonal subscription. It is $49.99, not including tax, depending on where you live. For a seasonal box, you get 4 boxes per year: summer, spring, winter, and fall. I started with summer because that's the first box I've gotten. This is my second box. It's the fall box. I love it. You get so many great products that you would never buy or spend money. Like, you'll see in this video the outrageous prices for some of these things. Now, the inside is cute. That's what the inside is, blue. And it says, grateful for every little thing, fall 2018. So the first thing we're going to take out from here is the magazine with Christina Applegate on the cover. And one of the causes is for breast cancer education. It's called Right Action for Women. All right. So the cover is Christina Applegate, and the cause for this season is Right Action for Women. Is a breast cancer, I believe, awareness group. And if I'm wrong, I apologize. So the sponsored product for this box, it is the Luna Bar, Luna Rica. And they give us a little coupon for $3 off at Amazon for a 12 to 15 count box. Sounds great to me. If you would like $10 off the FabFitFun box, just click on the link below in the descriptions and use the code HARVEST, and you'll get your box for $39.99. Now, the first product, which I'm excited about, and I am going to show this first, are the GLAMGLOW Bubble Sheet Mask. This is so cute, so fun. It has it's supposed to foam up and bubble up. I haven't tried it, but I've heard about it. It's the oxygenating deep cleanse mask. And not only do you get one, but you get 2 of these. Yeah, so I'm definitely going to make a video about these when I test them out. These retail for $18 for 2 masks. The next thing I will be showing you that I'm so happy about, because I am a coffee lover and I love coffee, and this is the ALFRED French press. I had an option for tea, but I was like, although I like tea, but coffee, look how cute this is. Coffee is my thing. Little, you know how much coffee I can make in here? Today alone, I think I've had 5 cups of coffee. But we also just drove back from Virginia, so of course that's why. And that retails for $22. The next thing, it is the Skin & Co. Roma, is the Italian collection Blue and Capri shower gel. It has notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. And it smells very florally. It smells very florally, and I love all things floral scented. I am a big fan of florals. That's Luna Bar. And oh, sorry, that retails for $22. Next is a Catherine Malandrino umbrella. This is cute. I picked this color. They had a white and, what was it, white and black. I love florals, floral scent, floral patterns, and it retails for $39.99. This one umbrella is the price of your first FabFitFun box. $40 for an umbrella. Craziness. The next thing is a beauty blender, the original beauty blender, and I got this really cute, I'm not sure if you can see it through here, but it's like a pinky beige neutral color, and I'm glad I got this one because I was hoping I got a nice cute color. And that retails for $20. beauty blender. Then we have the FARMACY. What is this called? Let's get out of the box. This is the box that it came in. Oh, there we go. It is the FARMACY Do It All Total Eye Cream with Echinacea Green Envy. Okay, I can't read today. I cannot read. But it has a cute little wooden lid. And inside it's like a minty green. It doesn't smell like anything, but the color is a minty green. My thing doesn't look that full. Well, when I came home, my box was open. My sister opened my box. So I wouldn't be surprised if she tried some of this. If you have a sister, you already know. If you're the oldest sister, you already know how younger sisters are. Then the next is the Grown Alchemist Polished Facial Exfoliant. Oh, sorry. This cost $38. Craziness, this little bottle. See it? But I hear this brand is really, really great, so I can't wait to try. Maybe I'll have it with my fine lines, you know, 2 kids and a husband. Fine lines. Now the Grown Alchemist Polished Facial Exfoliant is pink grapefruit, and I'm gonna butcher this, glucomannan extract. Again, I apologize if I cannot pronounce these things properly. And it has like a metal foily kind of cover, and this retails for $67. This thing right here, $67. Let me put that down slowly. I'm gonna put that down slowly. Oh my God. Then we have the Simply Whimsical towels, tea towels. It comes with 2 of them. These are cute and they're neutral, so they go with any kind of decor. Look at that. Those are cute. And they cost $14.99. See, that's reasonable. That's reasonable. Tea towels usually cost that. And the last but not least of the La Resistance, I got a Vince Camuto bag, which retails for $128. But I had the option of adding a second one for $10, and you know I did. So I got 2 bags for the price of basically 1 bag, because $10 is like nothing. And those retail, like I said, is $128, and it was they made it specifically for this box, which I'm excited about. And also, the Luna Bars is a sponsor of this box. So, yeah, if you want to try FabFitFun box, just follow the link down below, and you get $10 off. Your first box comes out to $39.99. For all this stuff, it's only $39.99. Again, not including tax for if depending on where you live. And I think it's worth it. It's so cute. And you're going to use the code HARVEST. But yeah. Like, I'm excited. I can't wait to use all this stuff and let everyone know if it works or not. Especially that eye cream. That eye cream, hopefully, see these lines? Yeah, but yeah, and like always, like and subscribe for more videos.